Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 155 Trevor Court Road in Brighton.
This is a spectacular brick front gem in the prestigious Houston Bernard neighborhood off of East Avenue.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome family and friends in elegance, with a charming brick walkway leading to the covered entryway with traditional slate stone. In this grand foyer with double doors, hand-blown glass side lights, crown molding, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the entertainment-sized living room with a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace with dental molding and a marble hearth, complemented with crown molding. The craftsmanship is impeccable.
This is a stunning white and bright eat-in kitchen with an abundance of space. Featuring decorative leaded glass cabinetry, a pantry, and a sliding glass door to the brick patio. The natural light is amazing. The spacious formal dining room features crown molding, a chair rail, painting lights, and a sliding glass door to the backyard. Prepare to relax and listen to the crackle of a fireplace in this spectacular family room with a gorgeous brick fireplace with a custom lintel, complemented with built-ins, a beam ceiling, pegged hardwood floors, and a wall of windows with patio access. Truly a classic room. Plus a convenient first floor powder room and laundry.
The excitement continues upstairs with 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this relaxing primary suite with beautiful hardwood floors, a walk-in closet, a second closet, and a spa bathroom with a double vanity, tiled shower, and jetted tub, all with scenic backyard views. This architect-designed home is just beautiful, and the quality craftsmanship is evident in the details.
Enjoy highly desirable and warm southern exposure on this expansive and charming brick patio, overlooking the exquisite landscaping with rhododendrons and mature trees, plus a fully fenced-in yard for exceptional privacy. What a delightful nature setting.
This spectacular and prestigious Houston Bernard neighborhood features very special and beautiful homes, sidewalks, and streetlights. Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops, and nearby Brighton schools. What a great place to live. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 155 Trevor Court Road in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.